So this CAN Di2 is actually anti-lag. I'm trying to find a way to change this, and that's launch control is number 3. But you can just see there's anti-lag, there's launch, just send, and then the clutch switch is fitted now, so you can see inactive at the moment. Push the clutch, it's active, inactive, active. And then the brake pedal, this is actually going to the ECU and the diff controller as well. This signal, so it works as well, active. So pretty much all the wiring done there now.